We want to look at data grouping and aggregation using the Colab, and we have been having the data, the DF, which can just remind ourselves what type of data we have. That is the prices for petroleum product, the year, the month, the opening, the high, the low, the volume, and the changes that we had in the data. And I want to continue with that. And today we want to calculate the mean price based on the year. So we use the group by function in Python, the year, the price, and then we say the mean. And what it does is that it computes the value and gives us the mean based on the year. So we have the mean price for each one of the years, and you can see that it keeps fluctuating with changes in time. Now, we want to see how this differs with the next code. We also want to calculate the mean price, but here, instead of just saying dot mean, we said aggregate price, which is using the dictionary function. Then we said reset dot index. Now let's see what's the difference if we didn't have the reset dot index underscore index, what you get. So this is the same information we are getting as above. Now, if I put reset underscore index, what it does is now it indexes. You can see you have 0, 1, 2, 3. So it numbers the different rows of your data set. That's the difference when we bring in this. But aggregate price colon mean will do the same work with what we looked at previously. Then we could also decide we want to get more than one summary statistics of the price. We say aggregate. I gave the mean, the medium, the mean, and the maximum. Then I said it should give me the indexes. And what happens is that it numbers the rows of your data. It gives you the year, the mean for each year, the median, the mean, and the maximum. And that is what that function will do for us. Now, apart from that, we could also rename the columns. We have the year, the mean price, the median price, the minimum price, and the maximum price. When you look at the previous section here, you see we have said DF capital A is equals to. So, and that's the DFA that we are showing there, and that's what we want to edit. We don't want to edit the original data. We want to edit a subset of the data. So I say DFA dot columns, give me the year, the mean price, so it will be able to name the columns as I want. If I want them to be capital letters, I'll just start. There are other ways of going about it. I could decide to manually do this, and it's going to give me then the naming of the column with the title case. So if I check that again, I find that this is capital M, all of them becomes capital. This is a brief introduction on how you can go about doing what we call data grouping and aggregation. So thank you for watching.